Dean here, A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain, and is doing the videoing today. What you see here is a Goldie and McCullough bandsaw, and this would be about a they were fabricated between 1910 and 1923. This is probably a later model because of the way the spokes are on the wheels. But this is going to be a great addition to my tool fleet for the woodworking process that we're doing with the home. Marketplace is a very good place to buy some good price tools, and this one I got for a deal. Now you're not going to see many of these. The process of getting into I call the house timber, it was a pretty close one. We had maybe 1 inch to spare on the top of the door. That's why I made the door 8 foot. Anyways, here we are bringing it in with the L39 Kubota. Just fits. And it's going to reside there for a couple of months until we build our woodwork shop. Thank you for Tommy and Wayne for giving me a hand for transporting the tool. Have a great day.